Hello everybody, this is Isaiah. So this is my latest acquisition. This is a K5la and it is off of retired locomotive F40PH number 369. So this horn is 100% original, never been opened. The bells have been taken off to get it to me from the shipper. So just going to kind of show you exactly what I got here. So this horn is, like I said, off of F40PH number 369. This horn was taken off of that locomotive when it was received at Larry's Truck and Electric locomotive scrapyard business, and the horn was taken off and put on display in one of the offices there for years until the guy that I bought it off of recently acquired it. So originally this horn was supposed to be a large bore 5-bell horn. The seller made a mistake. He didn't realize it was actually a small bore. So that was kind of unfortunate. But it's a beautiful horn. I'll flip it over here. Oh God, thing's heavy. As you can tell, the bell arrangement is backwards. Usually on a K5la it spells 1, 2, 3A, 4A, and 5. But when this horn was serviced, apparently the bells were put on backwards. So I left it that way. This is a tagless manifold. You can see the 4A on it right there. It has all of the bells have the raised circle. Let's see if we can see that. Right there. Focus. It's pretty rare to find a F40 Amtrak horn in original condition. It's got all wide font back caps. I will absolutely not open this thing up or restore it. They're just too hard to come by in this condition, you know, untouched. Most of the time they're blasted, the paint taken off of it, but there's not very many of these left in this original condition. How many times have I said that? 5? So I will be doing a video of this thing up in the mountains hopefully soon, but it's always really cool to see these horns like this. So I figured, you know, hell, I'll just do another video along with the 500 other ones I have. And I'm talking quiet because my kids are asleep and I don't want to wake them up. So the snow cones are not in the best shape. You can see there's a chunk missing right there. These are bent for some reason. This one's decent. They're all just well used, you know. And then you can see on the 3A bell here, in the past, it was chewed up pretty good by a loose snow cone right here. Looks like teeth marks. Nothing really else I can tell you other than it's really heavy. I took it out really quick today and it sounded absolutely incredible. Absolutely no warble. I mean, just a spectacular sounding horn. So there you go. If you guys have any questions, comments, feel free. I guess one thing I can say and will say is know what you're buying before you buy it. I paid a little bit too much for this horn, under the impression that it was a large bore 5, but I was able to get some of my money back, so that makes me feel a lot better. But anyways, ask questions, know what you're buying before you fork out a crap load of money. So anyways, look forward to doing the video for this thing, and you guys be safe out there. Enjoy.